Consider the rubber band. Springy, flexible, stretchy. A tool for some, a defense mechanism for others. Its uses are almost limitless. But did you know that there are different rubber band grades made for different applications? By the end of this Alliance Rubber training series, you'll learn some of the basic differences in rubber bands, and have the essential knowledge you need to increase your band business. This first video covers a few rubber band basics, like the 3 types of rubber used in Alliance's standard grades, the 6 traits of rubber bands, and the 3 dimensions of rubber bands. When you think of rubber bands, think of them as individuals with different personalities and different jobs to do. There are different grade and size variations that contribute to their overall performance. One that works well for one application may not be the right choice for another. The standard bands from Alliance are produced using natural crude rubber, synthetic rubber, or EPDM. About 75% of today's rubber products are made from synthetic rubber, but organic rubber is still used due to its superior elastic properties. Synthetic rubber is petroleum-based and is a good choice when the band needs to be printed or when a latex-free formula is needed. Our EPDM formula is also latex-free and UV and ozone resistant to increase longevity. There are 6 traits used to describe the attributes of a rubber band, and while understanding them is not nearly as complex as understanding the opposite sex, it can still be a challenge. That's why we've asked our handy assistant to help out. There's the modulus, or how hard a band snaps back. A tight band will snap back forcefully when pulled, while a band made to secure fragile objects should snap back more gently. Alliance soft modulus bands prevent the stress that can cause carpal tunnel syndrome. The elongation determines how far a band will stretch. The break strength is whether a band can withstand normal strain. Alliance quality control standards ensure a 750% elongation before reaching the break point. The memory of the band is its ability to return to its original shape after being stretched. The longevity of a band is how long it can be used over a period of time without breaking. While this is very dependent on conditions and use of the band, Alliance's higher concentration of rubber, along with added antioxidants, help protect our bands from wear and tear. Our toughest bands can even stand up to outdoor applications and extreme weather conditions. Finally, the count per pound, or number of bands in a pound, is determined by rubber content. Rubber is lighter than other filler, so when comparing rubber bands of the same size, more rubber equals more bands per pound. Now that you know the traits of the bands, let's talk about sizes. Were you thinking small, medium, and large? And maybe an extra large for good measure? Close! You only missed it by a few hundred. It's because there are 3 dimensions to consider, each with varying sizes. There's the flat length, which is measured by pinching the 2 ends of the band together and measuring end to end on a flat surface. There's the cut width, the measurement across the band perpendicular to the flat length. The size of the cut width determines the strength of the hold. And then there's the wall thickness, the distance between the inside and the outside portion of the band. That covers most of the rubber band basics. In our next presentation, we'll explain how to sell your customer the right band by asking all the right questions. If you need more information on any of the topics in the video, just click on the link below. We're always available to help. Or visit rubberband.com to learn more about our products and some things you probably never knew, like the date rubber bands were invented, or crazy and mostly legal uses.